So, g'day DIYers, professionals, wannabes and handymen. This is another bathroom that I'm starting this morning, and I've been talking to the owner about the waterproofing. He's had it waterproofed by someone else before I come in here, and it's an absolute shocker. It's just, it's undescribable, actually. I'll take this camera off my head and I'll show you a few things. Right, that's very, very bad. There's no puddle flange, and the new rule in Australia is that you screed first, let it dry for a few days or longer if you want, and then waterproof on top. That is an absolute shocker.
Oh, sorry, man, I didn't realise you were talking about us.
No, it's alright. The owner thinks I'm losing it. That's Matthew, the owner. There's no waterproofing around that toilet pipe. None at all. This is going to be used for a bit of a shelf. It needs to be sloping slightly, built up and tidied up and waterproofed adequately. So what I'm doing now for Matthew is, I said to him, mate, you cannot have this sort of crapolo in your life because it will leak. Like, there's no puddle flange there. See the movement? This is a wooden house, wooden framing. It's not set into concrete, so that pipe just moves. Every time you stand on that waste, your pipe is moving, which eventually breaks down your waterproof. So he's done a kind thing. This is a 2-story house. He's carried all my mud up in bags, being the good bloke he is. So I'm going to screed this bathroom today, and tomorrow off, come back the next day. So I come back on Friday, today's Wednesday, come back on Friday and waterproof it. Then it's drying over the weekend, and I tile the floor Monday. But it is a shocker. It's not filled properly. It's, oh, no, boy. Ooh. And that is a certain leaky bathroom. Very bad. Okay, this is Chriso. We'll see you soon. Stay tuned. There's heaps to learn. You know, like, I never go full on straight. You know, I don't level a line across and stick to that and mask it off. I waterproof like that. It doesn't matter as long as you're higher than the shower pipe. But where these joins, that is, oh, far out. Anyway, so it's going to be double waterproofed, this bathroom, but not really. This is only half-ass waterproofed, so it's a waterproof job, 1.5. Okay, we'll see you. Ciao. Stay tuned to Chriso. We'll catch up soon. Bye.